Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on speaking passwords in talkback function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for our talkback options and how to turn on speaking our passwords. So we need to go to settings, then in accessibility we have to look for our accessibility menu, and here we have talkback at the top. And here in settings we have this option right here, speak passwords. So passwords only spoken when using headphones, because this function is now turned off. By default it's turned on, but if it's not, or if we need to change the setting, it's right here. That's all, no need to save, it's now, the setting will now be remembered. That's all, I hope you find this helpful, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.